For now, question number 1. Select the appropriate alternative for the following answers. 6 is to 5 is equal to y is to 20. Then what will be the value of y? Value of y, just cross multiply, and value of y will be equal to 24. What is the ratio of 1 millimeter to 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 1 upon 10. The ages of Jatin, Nitin and Mohsin are 16, 24 and 36 respectively. What is the ratio of Nitin's age to Mohsin's age? So 24 is to 36, that is equal to 4 is to 3. So answer C. 2 is to 3, so answer is B. Then fourth one, 24 bananas were distributed between Shubham and Anil in the ratio 3 is to 5. Then how many bananas did Shubham get? So let the common multiple be x. So the bananas with Shubham and Anil are 3x and 5x. So 3x plus 5x is equal to 24. So 8x is equal to 24. X will be equal to 3. So 3 3s are 9. 9 bananas Shubham got. What is the mean proportional of 4 and 5? So we let the mean proportional be b. So b square is equal to 4 into 25, that is 100. So b will be equal to square root of 100, that is 10. Now for the following numbers, write the ratio of the first number to the second in the reduced form. 21 upon 48 is equal to 7 upon 16. Then 36 upon 90. So the common multiple is 18. 18 2s are 36, 18 5s are 90. So 2 is to 5. 65 upon 117. So 13 5s are 65, 13 9s are 117, 5 is to 9. Then 138 is to 161. 138 upon 161, that is 6 upon 7. 114 upon 133. So 114 upon 133 is equal to 6 upon 7. 6 is to 7. Write the ratio in the reduced form, radius to the diameter of the circle. Let the radius of the circle be r and diameter be 2r. The ratio of radius to diameter is equal to r is to 2r, that is 1 is to 2. Then ratio of the diagonal to the length of the rectangle having L equal to 4 cm, B is equal to 3 cm. Let the diagonal of the rectangle be x. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. X square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9 equal to 25. X is equal to 5. So ratio of the diagonal to the length of the rectangle is equal to 5 is to 4. Then the ratio of the number denoting the perimeter and area of the square having side. Having side 4 centimeter. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into 4 into 5, that is equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16 centimeter, and area of the square is equal to s square, that is 4 into 4 equal to 16 centimeter square. So the ratio of the number denoting perimeter to area is 16 into 16 equal to 1. Check whether the following numbers are in continued proportion 2, 4, 8. So let a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 8. b square is equal to 4 square is equal to 16, and AC is equal to 2 into 8 equal to 16, that is B square is equal to AC. Now 2, 4, 8 are in continued proportion. Then 1, 2, 3, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. So B square is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. AC is equal to 1 into 3 equal to 3. So B square is not equal to AC, therefore A, B, C are not in continued proportion. Now A 12, 9, 12 and 16. Let A equal to 9, B equal to 12 and C is equal to 16. So B square is equal to 12 square is equal to 144. So AC will be equal to 9 6 into 16, that is 144. So 9, 12 and 16 are in continued proportion. Then 3, 5, 8. Let A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 8. So B square is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. AC equal to 3 into 8 equal to 24. B square is not equal to AC. Therefore, A, B, C are not in continued proportion. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, A is equal to 3, C is equal to 27, find B. So B square is equal to AC, B square is equal to 3 into 27 equal to 81. So B is equal to square root of 81 is equal to 9. So B is equal to 9. Now convert the following ratio into the percentages. So here we have 37 is to 500. So 37 upon 500, denominator you have to convert it into 100. So divide it by 5. So 37 divided by 5 upon 500 divided by 5. So 7.4 upon 100, that is 7.4%. Then 5 upon 8. So denominator you take 100 and 5 upon 8 also you multiply by 100. So 500 upon 8 means 62.5%. Then 22 upon 30 is equal to 22 upon 30 into 100 upon 100. So 2200 upon 300 is equal to 30 is equal upon 100, that is 73.33%. 5 upon 16 into 100 upon 100. So 500 upon 16, that is 100, 31.25%. 144 upon 1200. So 144 divided by 12 and 1200 divided by 12 is equal to 12 upon 100, that is 12%. Now the ratio of the, find the ratio of the first quantity to the second. 1024 MB and 1.2 GB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. So 1.2 GB will be equal to 1 GB upon 1.2, that is 1 divided by 1.2. So 12 upon 10, that is 1 into 10 upon 12, which is 5 upon 6. Then 17 rupees and rupees 25.60 paise. So 17 rupees is 1700 paise. 25.60 paise is equal to 25 into 100 plus 60 paise, 2560 paise. So that is 1700 upon 2560, that is 85 upon 128. 5 dozen and 120 units. 5 dozen is 5 into 12, that is 60 units, and 5 dozen is equal to 120 units. 60 upon 120 is equal to 1:2. Then 4 square meter and 800 square centimeter. 4 square meter means 4 into 100 into 100 square centimeter. So 40,000 square centimeter. So 40,000 divided by 800, that is 50 is to 1. 1.5 kg and 2500 grams. 1.5 into 1000, that is 1500 grams, and 2500 grams. So that is 3 upon 5. So A upon B is 2 by 3. What is the value of 4A plus 3B? So multiply A by B by 4 by 3. So it is 8 upon 9. Apply the componendo. So it is 8 plus 9 upon 9. That is 17 upon 9. Then 5A square plus 2B square upon 5A square minus 2B square. So A upon B is 2 by 3. A upon B is equal to 4 by 9. Then 5A square upon 2B square is equal to 10 upon 9. So 5A square plus 2AB square upon 5A square minus 2B square is 19 upon 1, that is 19. Then A cube plus B cube upon B cube. A upon B is 2 by 3. A cube plus B cube is equal to 8 upon 27. So by componendo, 8 plus 27 upon 27, that is 35 upon 27. 7B minus 4A upon 7B plus 4A. So A upon B is equal to 2 by 3. So B upon A is 3 by 2. 7B upon 4A is equal to 21 upon 8. Apply the componendo dividendo, you will get the answer 13 upon 29. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, then prove that 11A square plus 9AC upon 11B square plus 9BD is equal to A square plus 5AB upon B square plus 3BD. Now A, B, C, D are in proportion. So A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to K. So A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK. So LHS will be equal to 11A square plus 9AC upon 11B square plus 9BD. So this is 11 into BK square plus 9 into BK into DK. So substitute the values. you will get the answer here k square. Now a square plus 3ac, again substitute the values and you will get equal to k square. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now square root of a square plus 5c square plus 5b square plus 5d square is equal to a upon b. Substitute a is equal to bk, c is equal to dk. You will get LHS is equal to k. Similarly RHS is also equal to k. Now third sum, a square plus ab plus b square upon a square minus ab plus b square. So substitute here a is equal to bk, c is equal to dk. Here you get k square plus k plus 1 upon k square minus k plus 1. RHS is c square plus ck plus cd plus dk d square. So substitute the value of c is equal to dk. So this becomes d square plus d square into k square plus d square k plus d square upon d square k square minus d square k plus d square. So take out d square common, k square plus k plus 1 upon k square minus k plus 1. So from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. Now 10 sum, a, b, c are in continued proportion. Prove that a upon a plus 2b is equal to a minus 2b upon a minus 4c. Let a is equal to bk, c is equal to ck, that is ck, a is equal to ck square. LHS is equal to, substitute the values here, take out ck square cancels, so that is k upon k plus 2. Now RHS is equal to a minus 2b upon a minus 4c. So this is ck square minus 2ck. So ck square minus 4c. So this is also equal to ck k upon k plus 2. So from 1 and 2, a upon a plus 2b is equal to a minus 2b upon a minus 4c. So b upon b plus c, that is equal to a minus b upon a minus c. So this is equal to k upon k plus 1. Then RHS is equal to a minus b upon a minus c, that is ck square minus ck upon ck square minus c. So take out, this is k upon k plus 1. Now from 1 and 2, b upon b plus c is a minus b upon a minus c. Now this one, 11th one, you have to do by theorem on equal ratios. 12k x square plus 18x plus 42 upon 18x square plus 12x plus 58. This is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 3x plus 2. So therefore 12x square plus 18x plus 42 upon 18x square plus 12x plus 58. So take out is equal to, multiply right hand side ratio by 6x. So by theorem on equal ratios, now subtract this one. This is equal to 21 upon 29. So 2x plus 3 upon 3x plus 2 is equal to 21 upon 29. So x will be equal to 9. Now 12th one, prove that the three ratios are given equal. You have to prove that each ratio is equal to x upon y. Multiply the second ratio by minus 3 and then by theorem on equal ratios, each ratio is equal to, add the first terms upon second terms, that is 3x upon 3y, that is x upon y. If by plus cz upon b square plus c square, that is equal to cz plus ax upon c square plus a square, this is equal to ax plus by upon a square plus b square, then prove that x upon a is equal to y upon b is equal to z upon c. So by theorem of equal ratios, each ratio is equal to, take the sum of the first terms upon sum of the second terms. So this is equal to x upon a. Similarly, we can prove that each ratio is equal to z upon c, and the third, and each ratio is also equal to y upon b. So from 1, 2 and 3 you get x upon a is equal to y upon b is equal to z upon c.